Salesforce was open to students from CSE and circuit branches. The minimum GPA for taking the test was 7, but GPA did not play a major role in later stages. However, it is always advisable to have a decent GPA. I was selected for SDE intern role. The selection process consisted of a coding test and 3 rounds of face-to-face interviews. Coding test was conducted on HackerRank with 3 questions. The first interview round was more related to CV, resume, and competitive programming problems. The second round was more related to algorithms and competitive programming. The third round was a typical HR round. I started doing competitive programming from 3rd semester. Once 3 to 4 months were left for my interviews, for my internship interviews, I started solving interview bit and practicing past interview experience from Geek for Geeks. So, competition is quite intense as quite a lot of talented people apply for the post. But if you keep working smartly, you will certainly do well in the internship season. My internship project involved working with APIs for billing used on Salesforce platform. My overall experience was great as the company work culture and work-life balances are both great. So as I said earlier, Salesforce has one of the best corporate cultures. The work-life balance is good and managers and other team members are also very helpful. And there are also a lot of extracurricular activities like quiz shows and coffee chats and yoga sessions, etc. So you should try to have a good relation with your mentor, and you should keep asking feedback on the work which you are doing. And if you are able to convey the work which you are doing to your mentor, then it would increase your chances of getting a PPO. So sometimes students get too stressed if they are unable to crack their dream company in one go, which also affects their performance in the future interviews. So we should certainly keep a positive attitude towards things and interviews and not get stressed if one interview does not go well. I was not an active member of college clubs, but soft skills are certainly helpful in both interviews and during the internship. I think more courses should have projects attached to them, and this would help the students apply their knowledge as well as get decent projects on their resume. I learned a lot of real life practical skills like collaboration and also a lot of technical skills needed to work on large software projects. One advice I would like to give to my juniors is to learn to collaborate better in the virtual mode of communication. So virtual classes and virtual interviews are here to stay, and you should learn to use the online tools better.